Yo, what is good, y'all? It's the boy Devontae, aka Molden Greatness, and I am back again with another motherfucking video. So today in this video, y'all, I'm gonna say y'all one of my go-to hacks. Really and truly, probably my number one beard hack, or definitely at the top of beard hacks that I use. Not very often. I'm not gonna lie, I don't use it too often, but when I do, this has been clutch for me on every occasion possible, whether it be I'm trying to do a photo shoot, whether I'm going on a date, whether I'm going to an event, whatever it is, whenever, however, whatever. I use this shit every single time to get quick results, fast results, efficient results, no BS results, and it kind of lasts a little bit long too. So stay with me, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all this beard hack right here. Some of you might have heard of it already, but if you haven't, for those who haven't, this may be new for you. So if you don't know, now you know. Let's go. All right, so this beard hack that I'm gonna talk to you guys about has been saving my ass. And that beard hack is boom. Beard pen, y'all. This has come in clutch for me so many times, y'all. And this isn't just no ordinary pen, y'all. It's literally a magic pen. Like it might as well just have pixie dust and shit all around it, like glitter, because it literally is that shit. And this particular one that I have, it's a twin pack, so it comes with two in the pack. But basically, y'all, if you don't know what a beard pen is, it's not like a marker per se, but it's more so like a natural follicle booster. That's basically what it is. It's a follicle booster. Make it look, make your beard look more full, especially if you're on the go. Maybe your beard just isn't full yet, or maybe if you have some light areas within your beard, maybe you might have a few patches in your beard, or maybe you might have a few light spots. Maybe it's thick in some areas and just like thin on certain areas, on other areas or whatever. I recommend using the beard pen, guys. And it makes it look, the best thing, the thing I like most about it, it makes it look natural. It doesn't look fake. However, if you overuse this shit, it will look fake, okay? Guys, you should use this to just enhance your beard. Not to literally like rely on this for your beard, to replace your beard, if that makes sense. So if you are someone who just don't have a beard at all, I wouldn't use this, because then you're gonna look like a clown. I don't know, you're gonna look corny. People, I don't know. If that's what you wanna do you, by all means. I can't tell you what to do, whatever. That's not why I'm here. I'm here to tell you how to improve your beard, how to enhance your beard, how to make your beard look more full, give it a more natural appearance. This is when it will come in. I feel like you should have used this to replace your beard, if that makes sense. But anyway, yeah, so, this is the pen, and it has two different sides to it. So the first side, it has like a brush. I don't know if you can see that. You can't really see it, but it's a brush. Think of it like as, it kind of looks like a brush. If you ever seen a girl, like when they do their lashes and whatnot, this is basically what it is, like to like brush your lashes up. But for guys, you basically brush them, the marker within your beard to make it look more natural, to give it a full and natural appearance. So that's one side. Now on the other side is where the actual marker is. You can twist it up, twist it down, and yeah. But if you're gonna use it, when you do it, it's best to leave it down a little bit. Leave it like a little bit, leave it like a good centimeter of space, so that when you're doing it, when you're filling it in, you don't break the marker. And granted, there is more to it, so you can always twist it back up. But just so you don't have to keep breaking it, it's best to leave like just a little bit of space. You don't need to have it all the way up here. Just have it like a little low right here. You know what I'm saying? Just like a pen, if you will. But basically how it works is you basically just fill in the beard. Fill in your beard, fill in whatever area needs to be filled in. So like I said, if you have a light area that you want to fill in to make it look more full, to make it look complete, then you will just shade in that area. And then after that, you'll just brush it in with the with this part right here. That's literally like a freaking concealer or whatever goddamn the makeup shit is called that women use, but I don't know the terminology, but basically you just shade it in. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. So this is my beard now. So let's say, for example, if I wanted to just fill in like right here, make it look more full at the top, I would just get my marker and just fill it in. And I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm doing. So I'm gonna leave it low. And you literally could like draw in a shape. But as I mentioned before, guys, if you don't have a beard at all, don't do this. Please don't. Because it's not gonna look natural. It's literally gonna look like you have Beijing on you. And guys, I don't know about y'all, but I don't like Beijing. That shit looks too fake, y'all. If you don't have a beard at all, bro, just give it up. Nah, don't give it up, but I'm just saying, like, you wanna make it look, I don't know, go get a freaking hair transplant or some shit. Like, I don't know, but it doesn't look good. So you see that? Y'all see that? And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brush it in like that to fill it in within your other hairs. You see how much fuller it looks? Now keep in mind, I don't have a lineup. So I just filled it in a little bit more so it looks a little bit darker. I don't know if y'all can see the difference, but you know, of course, if you want to add more, you can. But as I mentioned before, I feel like this should be strictly for like an enhancement type purposes. It shouldn't be to replace your beard, but that's just me. You can do what you want to do, but if you don't want to look like a clown, don't do that. I'm telling you. But, you know, if there are some of you out there that want to do it, by all means, go crazy. So let's say if I wanted to draw my line out, right? Then I could do that, and I'm gonna show you right now. You see that? And then I'll just brush it in. Oh shit, gotta take out the brush. I'll just brush it in like that. In whatever direction you choose, preferably with the grain. And by saying with the grain, I mean going down the growth of your hair. Like that. See that? And it actually looks natural. To be honest, it doesn't look too crazy. It doesn't look like, you know what I'm saying, I got like Beijing or something. Basically, this is like a lineup. So yeah, I'm built to the other side. Show y'all. I'm gonna fill in this side as well. And guys, I'm not gonna lie, like I don't use this as much as I used to. But when I did use it a lot, man, that shit came in clutch, bro. Like, and honestly, another reason why I would say use it too, like let's say for example, if you have a beard like mine or whatever the case may be, and you're trying to this is when you should use it the most.
Tell me how.
When you have a beard like mine, or when you're trying to get it higher or have it fill in more, but you have a beard to work with. You're still in the beginning phases, but you have some light areas, like at the top specifically. Like say for example, you have a beard like this, but at the top you didn't want to like line it up. You don't want to line up the top because you want to continue to let it grow. Then I would say use this to just fill it in. Fill it in like that. Just a little bit, y'all. A little bit goes a long way because that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna use the brush to brush it in like that. All right. Which is what I'm doing right now. You see that? See the difference? See, I can brush this out a little bit more too. You see that? And then, of course, you know, you can pick out your beard or whatever. Pick it out, comb it out, whatever you want to do, and go about your day. So, you know what I'm saying? It could be beneficial for you guys, you know. Like I mentioned before, though, I feel like you should only use it to enhance, not to replace. So if you're going to use it very lightly. in moderation. You shouldn't use it like to freaking dry the whole fucking beard. No, you shouldn't use it for that. It should only be to enhance your beard. So, I'm gonna pick up my beard real quick so I can just show y'all like the full thing. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna just pick it out. Like so. And as I told y'all in the previous videos, I'm wolfing right now, so my beard look crazy. And I don't mean crazy good, I mean crazy as in wild. But hey, I'm wolfing right now, so because I'm trying to get my beard to be more even and full. And then once it's like that, once it's to the shape and appearance that I want it, then I'm gonna trim it up for you guys and show y'all my beard trimming routine. But this is the finished product. I do need to line up, and for better results, after you put in the enhancements, you can line it up. Go ahead and line that shit up, and you will trust me, that shit will look on point. Just don't use it too much. A little bit goes a long way, just like cologne. A little bit goes a long way, just like with, whatever it is. A little bit goes a long way. You don't want to look crazy, okay? You don't want to like women with, look like women how they be dusting on a whole bunch of makeup. That's basically what you're gonna look like if you overly do it. No, don't overdo it. Just put on a little bit. It will go a long way. Trust me, I promise you. But y'all, that was my beard hack for today. Just wanted to show y'all real quick. I'm gonna post a link for it in the comments so that you can get it if you are interested in it, and you want to enhance your own beard. And of course, guys, today I'm rocking with Shea Moisturizer. That's what's in my beard right now. I did get a new bottle. Actually, I didn't get a new bottle. I actually lost it and I found it. So I have 2 bottles now. One that's about to run out and one that's full. So y'all get this. This isn't a sponsored video. I'm just telling y'all what I use. This is my beard set for today. It's my baby. But anyway, y'all, I appreciate y'all for sitting in with me. I just wanted to give y'all that hack. Try it out yourself. Let me know in the comments how it came out. Just let me know how it worked for you. Post it in the comments, and I appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy. Once again, it's the boy Devontae, More Than Greatness, and I'm out, y'all.